So if you are a Mac user and if you are wondering how to log out of mail application, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, let me tell you one thing, that there is no direct sign out or log out option in mail app, but still you can stop using it, and there are two ways to do it. Let's start with the first one. So whenever you open mail application, you can check out all your mails over here. Now, in order to disable mail app, all you have to do is just simply go and select mail over here on the menu bar and then go to settings. Now, once you go to settings, you will get a pop-up window like this. You might be on any other page. Make sure you select accounts over here, and in account, if your Gmail ID is linked with mail app, then over here you need to select Gmail, and you should be on account information page. Now down here you get an option of enable this account. So in order to disable this account, you have to uncheck this box, and once you do it, you won't be able to see any mail over here. Let me restart the application for you. So now you can see I'm not able to see any of my mail over here. So we have successfully disabled mail app. So this is one way of doing it. Let's take a look at the other method. Now for second method, again we have to go and select mail over here on the menu bar, and this time we have to select accounts. Now once we select accounts, it will redirect us to system settings, and in internet accounts, if your Gmail ID is linked with mail app, then you have to select Google over here, and now you can see for mail the toggle is on. So in order to log out or sign out, or in order to stop using mail app, all we have to do is we just have to turn off this toggle. And if I close this window and if I restart mail application, this time you can see again I am not able to see any of my mail over here. So these are two simple ways by which you can say that we can log out or sign out, or we can stop using mail application in Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one.